Countries along with their total number of aircraft: United States 13,247, Russia 4,173, China 3,285, India 2,186, South Korea 1,595, Japan 1,449, Pakistan 1,386, Egypt 1,062, Turkey 1,057, France 1,055, North Korea 946, Saudi Arabia 897, Italy 862, Taiwan 741, United Kingdom 693, Brazil 679, Greece 632, Germany 617, Israel 597, United Arab Emirates 554, Algeria 552, Iran 543, Spain 503, Mexico 469, Thailand 469, Indonesia 461, Colombia 454, Syria 452, Poland 436, Australia 430, Canada 380, Iraq 361, Ukraine 318, Angola 299, Chile 290, Myanmar 280, Afghanistan 270, Venezuela 256, Jordan 255, Morocco 249, Singapore 244, Peru 243, Kazakhstan 237, South Africa 225, Argentina 218, Vietnam 217, Sweden 204, Belarus 201, Uzbekistan 200, Sudan 192. Please, if you want to continue the video, then click first on subscribe button. Finland 192, Bangladesh 190, Philippines 182, Yemen 177, Qatar 165, Norway 161, Switzerland 158, Netherlands 156, Kenya 151, Tunisia 151, Azerbaijan 149, Romania 147, Malaysia 144, Nigeria 140, Oman 128, Libya 127, Serbia 117, Belgium 115, Denmark 115, Ecuador 113, Bahrain 110, and Austria 102. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.